Rise is the third shift of the heart, which is all about scaling with soul and leading with love. The Rise portal is where you move from inspired creator to confident leader, expanding your vision, your reach, and your abundance without burning out or getting lost in tech. Here, we help you ground your success in purpose and heart-centered strategy. We will help you define your why, your spiritual sat-nav, and build a clear roadmap towards the life of freedom, fulfillment, and flow you've always envisioned. Inside Rise, you'll access the Be in Your Heart Tech Hub, an all-in-one business ecosystem that replaces the chaos of endless subscriptions and logins. Everything you need to scale your vision is right here. Website management, landing pages, funnels, and automations, email sequences, newsletters, and social scheduling, SEO, advertising, analytics, and content management, accounting, invoicing, client and case management, training, tech support, and live coaching to guide you through every step. This is not a maze of unhelpful chatbots or generic help desks. It's real support from real people who want to see you and your business thrive. And it's not just about systems. Rise teaches you how to sell from your heart and scale with love, building abundance through authentic relationships, clear communication, and embodied leadership. When your strategy and systems flow effortlessly, you get to spend more time doing what you love, sharing your gifts with the world. Be in your heart and rise into your purpose with ease.